There are so many marketing styles out there that sometimes it's easy for us to lose track of the fundamentals. Like one of the most important parts of marketing, know your audience. Welcome to another edition of Marketing Tip Monday. In order to choose an effective marketing strategy or to frame your message, you have to know who you're talking to. So here are a few tips to help you along the way. First, do your research. With advances in technology and modern tools, you don't have to be a billion-dollar company to get answers. Use your resources to narrow down your audience and get as specific as possible. Remember, you can't reach everyone. If you make your message too broad, you'll reach no one. Next, look into your competitors. Who are they targeting? How effective is their messaging? Evaluate their brand and their voice, and then look for ways that you can build on or improve their strategies. Then there's the old tried and true. Create a client persona. This is when you think of the ideal person who you really enjoy working with and who you'd love to do business with on a daily basis. And then you work on targeting that client profile every time. Once you start to get to know clients on a one-on-one basis, then you can work on getting to know them on a more personal level. Inquire about their likes and dislikes. Ask them what they're concerned about or find out what they get excited about. Then you'll start to see overlaps and you can take this information and apply it toward a more general audience. Lastly, observe. Monitor your social sites and reviews and make sure that you're staying up to date on social trends and behaviors. That way you can adjust your message accordingly. The audience that you're trying to reach may not change, but their habits will. So it's important that you keep yourself in the loop. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something, and be sure to tune in next week for another edition of Marketing Tip Monday.